You might have seen this. For example, when you swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center and press into the brightness icon, you have dark mode, you have night shift, and then you have a toggle for something called True Tone here. And what is True Tone exactly? True Tone is Apple's display feature that automatically adjusts the color temperature and intensity of your screen to match the lighting around you. So if you're in a warm room, the screen will shift slightly toward a warm yellowish tint to match the colors and tone that are around you. Whatever is around you is what your eyes will adjust to. So having the phone screen match the tone of the surroundings makes for a better user experience. And the same thing works the other way. Under blue-toned lighting, your screen will shift toward cooler, bluer tones. It's basically trying to mimic how physical paper reacts to light. Another place to find the setting is Settings. Then under Display and Brightness, you have your True Tone toggle. It might be a little hard to see on camera, but I do get a slightly warmer tint right now with True Tone enabled. And when I disable it, if you watch closely, you might see my screen shift to a cooler tone. It's all about subtle adjustments, so your phone wouldn't look like the screen is way yellow or way too blue. This will automatically adapt to your ambient lighting conditions, using your front camera and sensors that are measuring the light. Whether you need to use True Tone or not is a personal preference. But if you're doing something like photo editing or video editing, where you want accurate, consistent colors, I'd say it's better to keep it off. Otherwise, I like to keep mine on. I like the way it looks, simple as that. Anyways, that is True Tone on the iPhone. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all, until next time.